Holy crap. Oh. All right, time to get changed because we forgot to change earlier. So we're putting on our pants. How's it going? I got 14 for you. Paperwork for you side too. So today we're gonna be picking up 14 pallets. Looks really easy to strap up, so that's a plus. Yep, awesome. 2, 3. Kind of just spread them out throughout the whole trailer. Awesome. A lot of people they're like, oh, I only have one thing, load me up. But it's like, well, I'm already in the middle of this, but at the same time, that guy shouldn't have to wait here. You know what I mean? If it's just like one thing that would take 30 seconds, sometimes it's okay to be nice to people, you know? Yeah, I do like cooking and I have like a full truck camping setup and just film it.
That's good.
Some people like it, some people don't.
Yeah, I kind of have to do what everybody else is doing.
Exactly. I think if you kind of separate yourself from the people who are following the trends and things like that, I think you're gonna be very successful.
Good meeting you.
Yeah, you too, man.
Have a good one.
What's your name?
Rocky.
Rocky, that's a sweet name, man. That's awesome.
Lucky, I guess.
Yeah, I guess. All right, guys, just like that, we are loaded up and headed on to Lafayette. Let's get on the road. Doing a crawfish boil right here in my truck. So let's get unhooked and let's go get some ingredients. So first things first, we're actually gonna go to Walmart, grab some things that we need for the truck, grab some sides, and then go grab our crawfish and then get cooking. Yeah, let's go to the store. There we go. Bro, we actually might need this. All right, let's go pick up some crawfish. All right, we have made it to our destination. You know what? We can just go through the drive-thru. Yeah. It's so cool. It's literally just a little shack with a drive-thru, and then there's like a little snack shack over there. I'm sure they have boudin, crackling, and all the necessities over there. How's it going? I called earlier about the 3 pounds of live.
Of live? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you guys again. I appreciate it.
And you said you put it on YouTube?
Yes.
Can I get your account?
Yeah, it's Trent, O-D-I-E.
What you doing?
So I travel around and I cook in my truck. I started 3 months ago and I think we're about to hit 2,000 subscribers, so. Yeah, and I'm in Houma, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm local-ish. I mean, Lafayette area, I come here often, so we haul a lot of oil field equipment around here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I have a big trailer. I usually drop it, go get ingredients, and then come back to my truck and then cook like camping style and stuff like that. So I'll be sure to give you guys a shout out. That's awesome. That's fine.
What you wanted?
Put
That
you can have.
No. I'll pay for them. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Well,
I'm a poor.
are you sure? That's very generous of you guys. Thank you so much.
And is this it?
What's your name?
Allison?
Allison, and what's your name?
Tacoa.
What's your name?
Tacoa.
Tacoa? That's an amazing name. Holy crap. That's awesome. Well, it was really good to meet you guys.
You
My
too.
name's Trent. So
Okay.
thank you so much. Have a good one. Holy crap. Oh, we got crawfish crawling out of the box. Bruh. We literally have crawfish crawling out of the box right now, bro. Dude, this is gonna be crazy. I can't believe these guys just gave this to me for free. Their name is... Please, please, please go show these guys some love. These guys were such kind people. Huge shout out to these guys. These crawfish look so good. Oh my gosh. Just look how big that crawfish is. You guys are watching this video right now. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. You guys are truly the reason I do what I do to try to spread happiness. Thank you guys so freaking much. I really appreciate it. But with that being said, let's get to cooking. All right guys, first things first, what we need to do is we need to clean these crawfish. I bought 3 gallons of water, so honestly, I don't know how all this is gonna fit in a pan, but we got our pot. Oh, I forgot sausage. Oh well, we got plenty. That's like such a perfect amount of water. We're gonna repeat this process 3 times. They've been sitting here. This is only the second one, but as you can see, the water's getting clearer and we are on our way to cooking some crawfish. First, we need to half our lemons. Cut them in half, just so they cook faster. All right, we already have our corn prepped, so just need to take it out. We're only gonna get 3. I'm just gonna put the whole garlic cloves on there. And we're not gonna use the whole thing of mushrooms either. We're just gonna use maybe like a handful. And then last but not least, we got our onions. I'm very glad we're by 2 trucks that are not running because this would ruin the video. All right, good enough for me. Here is what we are working with. All right, we're all prepped up. I guess that didn't really take too long. They're getting clean. They are they're getting clean. All right. We're gonna have to get some bug spray here soon because the bugs are coming out. I'm gonna put some water in here and boil the potatoes and the corn. Shrimp and crab boil. Tina, if you're watching this, if you know, you know. I'm just gonna throw our potatoes in there. And we're gonna go ahead and throw our mushrooms in this pot too. All right guys, we rinsed out our pot. Now that we have some clean crawfish, we are going to boil some water. All right, so we're gonna throw a bottle of this in there. We're gonna throw our lemons in there, our onions, garlic. Then we're gonna let that come to a rolling ball. We're gonna let that come to a rolling ball, boy. Also, I forgot to add this, so we're gonna do that now. Basically what it is, it's a bag of seasoning with little holes in it. All right guys, while we wait, we're gonna go ahead and make our own crawfish dip with whatever we have left in the truck. I know, don't come after me. I'm sure this isn't the right way to do it, but this is what I have. So we're gonna do ketchup. We're gonna add some Cajun seasoning. We're gonna add some garlic powder. We gotta add some habanero Tabasco. So the potatoes are almost done. So we're gonna throw our corn in there and let the corn soak all those flavors in. So with this, the longer you let the potatoes and the corn soak, the spicier it's gonna be. Same with the crawfish. Our water is finally rolling boil. So without further ado, let's add our crawfish. Dude, they're crawling in there, look. Oh no! Oh crap. We had a couple stragglers that were still in the box. Now guys, just an FYI, this is definitely not the correct way to boil crawfish, but this is how I do it on my truck and my trailer. All right guys, if you can hear that, our 2-minute timer is up. So we are going to cut the heat off. All right, now we're gonna let that soak for 20 minutes. Typically, this is when you would add your corn. On the mushrooms, I'm not really sure how long you're supposed to cook that. I just like mushrooms with my crawfish, so I just said screw it. As I was saying before I got interrupted, this may not be the best way, or maybe your family has another way of doing it. My family also has another way of doing it, and this is not how we normally do it. You know, you gotta make do with what you got, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just bringing you guys along and showing you how I did it. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you so much for hanging out. I'm not gonna stop saying it. I know I say it a bunch, but this has been a dream of mine to be able to do this and to be able to record. It's never really lined up, but it's lining up now, and I'm having so much fun doing it. I hope to bring you guys thousands and thousands of more videos in the future. And if you're subscribed to me right now, I just want to say thank you. I think we're going to be doing a giveaway in the future, so stay tuned. I'm going to be working on that very shortly. So without further ado, we'll see you guys in 20 minutes. All right, guys, it's been 20 minutes, and it is time to see what we're looking like. Oh yeah. Take some of these out. All right, I'm gonna grab the lid and go dump all this water out. Be a lot easier than this. Ooh. We've got some hot crawfish. Holy cow. This looks, sorry about that. This looks insane. This is that boil bag. Oh no. Our potatoes and our mushrooms. Wish my chair was a little taller, but I'm not even gonna lie. This sauce, I didn't think it was gonna be that good, but see how we did. Oh. This is my first time cooking crawfish by myself. I'm pretty proud of myself. I could have added a whole nother bottle of that Zatarain's crab boil. Next time, I probably will. Oh, this was the hog. Look how big that is. Get some of that corn, baby. I'm sad we forgot sausage, but honestly, I probably would have wasted a lot of it. This is a lot. Oh, baby, look at that one. I'm definitely lacking a bunch of seasoning. I should have put so much more. I have a feeling we're gonna do this again. And there's a big controversy here in Louisiana about dusting the outside of your crawfish. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you prefer your crawfish dusted or plain like these? No. A light just died on us, but I'm gonna eat these. I will catch you guys whenever I'm done. Good, I just need a shower, please.
He had time to get as close as he could.
Go LSU. We have a mile walk back to the truck, and it's gonna be a cold one. I'll see you in a sec. Guys, we are going to go to bed, so I will catch up with you guys in the morning. Pull that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to comment what you'd like to see me cook next. And if you're into road life, truck stop cooking, and everything in between, there's a whole lot more waiting for you on the channel. So hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, smash that like button, and let's keep this thing rolling. And without further ado, we'll see you on the next adventure.